Here's my QR code. It displays all of my contact information. It's great for sharing with others. All they have to do is scan my QR code. At the top of your QR code, there are 3 buttons, one to phone you, one to email you, and one for directions to you. By scanning your QR code, they get all 3 in one easy location. The social media section displays the icons for your social media accounts. For example, when I click on the Facebook icon, it launches my Facebook page. These 2 buttons are the Share button and the Add to Contacts button. The Share button lets you share this QR code with others. The Share Contacts button lets you save the data to your phone or email it. When you press the Call button, the QR code displays the number to call. It's a click away. Press the Directions button. The QR code walks you through the steps of getting directions on Google Maps. We're back to where we started. Scan my QR code to see its functionality. And as always, thank you for watching.